Hello guys and welcome to another vlog. Today we are driving this. We are actually not driving, we are just going to review this. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio ZXi optional variant. But let's take few seconds to thank automotive manufacturers of Pimpalgaon Baswant for providing us these cars to review. Actually very good and communicative staff. Looking at the front design of the car, it looks quite good. A very beautiful hatch this is. Let's peep into the engine bay. You get this cutie pie 1000cc 3-cylinder petrol unit. Lots of space in this engine bay. Very small engine of this car, just 1000cc. Looking at the front of the car, it looks quite good. This is a halogen setup. You get chrome finish in the headlamp. This is a parking lamp. You get a fog lamp over here. No treatment allowed in the fog lamp. You get this typical Suzuki grille with the Suzuki logo in the center. On the bumper as well, you get another grille. So two grilles making the front look of the car quite premium. So this is a side profile of the car. These are the 14-inch alloy wheels which suits the car very nicely. You get ORVMs over here. No chrome door handles. You get a simple ones. You get two thin linings throughout the vehicle. This is the first one which runs throughout the vehicle and merges to the tail lamp. This is the another one you can see below. Coming to the rear of the car. From rear to look very beautiful. These are the tail lamp of the car, which are sort of triangular in shape. You get a Celerio badging over here. You get a Suzuki logo here. You get a stop lamp over here. You get a rear wiper as well. That's a quite nice touch. You get two rear parking sensor as well, which looks quite nice on hatchbacks. Probably you don't get any kind of sensor in the hatchback, but it's nice touch given by the Suzuki. Again, have a look at the side profile of the car. If you look at the mirrors, or we can say windows of the car, they are actually quite large compared to the size of the car, which gives it a very nice touch. Let's open the boot of the car. Here is a parcel shelf which helps you to keep the things from the rear seat itself. This is a boot space of the car, which is decent size and not so large. Let's get into the rear seat. Before we get into the rear seat, you can see beautiful treatment given to the door handle. It's not actually chrome. You can see controls for the windows. It's in dual tone, black as well as off-white color. You get a bottle holder here. You can see a cutie bottle here. Getting into the rear seat straight away. So it's quite spacious car, lots of space. You get a decent leg room, also good knee room, as well as underneath thigh support is also decent. You get lot of headroom in this car. You can see these are the speakers. You get a bottle holder here as well. You don't get adjustable headrest here as well. So guys, getting into the driver seat, but first let's have a look to the dashboard of the car, which looks quite good in the dual tone, black as well as off-white color. Let's get into the driver seat. You get controls for the windows from here, car unlock, lock button. You don't get bottle holder to the driver seat. You get just a document holders over here. You get a speaker over here. Let's get into the driver seat. So this is the steering of the car, which comes with the controls for volume as well, which is a nice touch. You don't get any kind of leather wrapping here. This is an instrument cluster of the car, which looks decent and not so well. These are the AC vents, round AC vents. You get regular AC vents here with this chrome treatment in the U shape, which looks quite good. This is the infotainment system of the car. Okay. These are the controls for the AC. You don't get automatic climate control AC, but this is a nice touch given to the controls, which is actually silver in color and looks very premium in this car. You get a storage space here. You get a USB as well as aux plugs over here. You get 12-volt charging socket over here as well. You can keep your mobile. Are the gear controls of the car, which are not actually here as we see in the other cars. It's actually a little upward, so it's a nice touch as well. You get a bottle holders here, which is actually quite deep. You get a handbrake over here. You don't get any kind of armrest over here. You get a handle over here. You get a handle over there. You get a handle over there, but no handle here. These are the sun visors with no mirrors, unfortunately. You get a mirror for this sun visor, which is nice. You don't get auto dimming rear view mirror. So guys, the interior of the car is decent with this dual tone. SRS airbag written over here. This car comes with 2 airbags. So a hatchback coming with 2 airbags, it's a good thing. Okay. You get a headlamp control from here. You get a control for fog lamp from here. Now watch this. This is nothing more than a stupidness. Okay. So guys, that's all about the Maruti Suzuki Celerio ZXi Plus optional variant. It's actually a quite nice hatchback and looks so cute. I don't know why I'm saying cute now and then, but I found this hatchback looking so cute. Its wheelbase as well as 165mm ground clearance gives it a nice touch, and this hatchback looks better than all its rivals, and it's one of my favorite hatchback as well. So guys, please subscribe my channel, do like the video and keep supporting. Thanks for watching.